Hi, I'm Ben. I'm from the family-run business Rolling Homes, based in Shrewsbury. Today we've been putting the new Rolling Homes Expedition through its paces, getting in through some deep mud, through some water, and just generally checking out how robust and how capable this vehicle is, because we truly believe that this van can do what we want it to do and what we've designed it to do. So the base vehicle is a VW T6 4Motion with rear locking diff. We've raised the suspension, we've increased the wheel and tyre size. We've got some BF Goodrich wheels on some Weller steel wheels. The 4Motion system works fantastic just to allow the customer to not have to worry about where they want to go. If they want to explore, go camping in the wilderness, then it's not going to be an issue. This camper is capable of doing so. So this camper is aimed at the person who wants to just go out, explore, adventure, wilderness. It's a vehicle that won't hold you back. We've also got an SCA pop-top roof, which enables you to sleep 2 upstairs. You can sleep 2 downstairs on the seat that converts into a bed. We've got diesel heating, fridge, hob, everything you'd need for when staying out in the wild. Now you've seen the Expedition in action, feel free to contact us through the website or on social media for more information.